Hey, I'm about to do something crazy right now. I might regret it, but I don't know. Hi, Heidi. Yeah. Hi. I can't tell if I like it. It's so short. Oh my god. My hair is gone. What did I do? It's one of those things where I'm not sure if do I like it yet? Do I not? Just tell me it looks good, okay? I just wanted to try it because I've never seen hair like this short on me. I figured this would be the perfect time since I'm going to India. Well, I'm going to India. I did my 200-hour training last year in July in India at this place called the Rishikesh Vinyasa Yoga School, which if you've seen any of my vlogs from then, that's the same one that I'm going to this time, or you can just keep watching because I'm going to be doing a lot of vlogs. I want to do kind of like just casual vlog diaries just to show you the feel and my life and my experience going there. I feel a little biased when people ask me about yoga teacher trainings because I'm like, if you have the time and the money, I would highly suggest just going to India for a month instead of doing this prolonged 8 to 10 week course like just around the corner of your house, which for some people it's fulfilling and that's perfect for them. But I just feel like if I did that, I would have missed out on the culture of yoga, just being around the masters of yoga and the history all over there. Plus, it's super, super affordable. No, this is not sponsored by the yoga school, but this video is sponsored by Fabletics. These are the clothes that I'm wearing today. And I also tried on some clothes, and I'll show you the video clip of it earlier when I got the rest of my packages. Fabletics is like, I feel like they're the mother of athleisure. Don't get me wrong, like there's a lot of athleisure brands out there, but I feel like Fabletics is one of the biggest ones. I've been using Fabletics actually for a really, really long time, and it's actually really bad of me, but I have used all of my different emails to get that 2 for $25 deal that Fabletics sometimes has, which I end up finding out about because, so the first time that I used Fabletics, right, I went on the website and then you like take a 60-second pop quiz just about like what you do active wise. Got to choose like all the styles for me so that when I went to a selection that had the stuff that I would kind of like, I didn't have to go through a super huge selection. I just said selection twice. After that, I just entered my email. I did this in college when I had a bunch of different like college emails because I went to different universities and different schools. So I made different accounts with all the emails. But the only way that I knew that Fabletics was having a deal, like a 2 for $25 set like this would cost $25 for a first-time member, and I wouldn't have known about that if I didn't enter my email. All those times, which I'm sorry Fabletics, but you know, you set it up for yourself. You do it. But, you know, I bought clothes. These pants, I think, are 2 years old now. I've had them for so long, and they're still super comfortable. They still fit like they're new. So, yeah, this is a set from Fabletics. Actually, it's not a set. It's like pants, and then this bra is from Fabletics. So here are a couple more items from the order that I got from Fabletics, and I actually brought a couple pairs of these leggings and sports bras to India, and I can attest that they definitely did their job. They held up through all of my Ashtanga classes, through all my Vinyasa classes. And if you guys wanted to know, they are definitely squat proof. I mean, if they're crow pose proof, then I'm sure they'd be squat proof also, but I just wanted to show you here in case some of you were wondering. My favorite type of leggings at the moment are these high-waisted power hold ones. And if you're interested in getting them, make sure you get them because the leggings that I showed you earlier during the vlog, are no longer available. I tried looking for them again, but because I got them a couple years ago, they're no longer on sale on the website. If you sign up with Fabletics, there is no commitment to purchase monthly. Also, I mentioned 2 for $25. It's actually 2 for $24, which is almost half the price of a Lululemon sports bra, or also half the price of one pair of Gymshark leggings. If you're interested in trying out Fabletics, make sure you click the link in my description to get 2 leggings for only $24, which is a $100 value. Back to the vlog. Honestly, the worst thing right now is just the laziness that I have to pack because I don't want to do any of this work. I gotta do laundry first, and then I gotta like make sure that I have everything that I need. And I'm already forgetting, like, do I need to bring bug spray? But last time I was there, the bug spray didn't even work. So I feel like now that I've gone, I kind of have a good idea of what I'm gonna bring or what I need to bring. Okay, so 2 things I want to mention right now. 1, I'm just like a big gray blob right now, and this is my favorite house outfit ever. 2, sometimes in different angles, I look like an 11-year-old boy. This hair, I don't know. I was telling my mom this earlier, but packing for my stuff for India has actually been really, really easy. Because I've been there before and I kind of already know what I'm gonna need and what I use. Now I know a little bit better. I'm a little bit wiser. So I'll just show you what I have ready to put into the suitcase at this moment. These are packing cubes. I got them off Amazon, and it's basically just like compartments for different types of clothes. So I like to put my pants in this one, and then shirts in this one, underwear and stuff like that. Dirty clothes, shoes, and then everything is nice and neat in the suitcase rather than all like thrown around. It really makes packing really organized. And then over here I have my Kindle that I am charging, and then I have like headphones right here so I can like edit videos, an international or whatever plug thing, because apparently in different countries there's different plugs. My journal, my face mask, and then Yoga Sutras, something to read up on for yoga. If you're looking for yoga books to read, I recommend this one. Many things that you learn in a yoga probably stem from the Yoga Sutras. This is like one of the older scriptures, I guess, if you want to call that. And I'm gonna bring my mat with me. This is a Lululemon mat. It's like the reversible one. Pretty good, recommend. And then I have a fanny pack because functionality, duh. Some resistance bands here. Just because I did try to do some workout stuff, like more strengthening exercises, and it really did help my hold for getting like into better inversions, and also I feel like helped strengthen my legs even more in warrior and whatnot. So I have this like longer resistance band that I can do like shoulder press-ups with, and I don't know, other stuff. I bought a Grace Fit UK hip band. I have this little set thing from Monkey. You can set it up anywhere, and it's kind of like TRX ropes, and you just have to put it on the door and you're good to go. This like rolls out into ropes or strings, but I'm not probably be showing it in another vlog. Over here we have the food section. So I got me some of my vitamins. I know it seems excessive, but I'm a very excessive person, so bear with me. Like zinc, DHA, EPA, vitamin D, my B12s are all in here. And then I have a red bar as snacks. These are gonna go really, really fast, but it's good to have them anyway. And then I have EHP Labs Oxy Shred. I use it as like a very mild pre-workout for my day type of. And then I have this maca powder that I can put into like my oatmeal or my drinks. Obviously gotta have snacks, so I made myself a super huge bag of trail mix. I remember when I went to India last year, I ate so much trail mix. I spent so much money on like the little packets at the organic store. So I decided to just bring this one for myself until I run out. Then I'll buy more, but at least I've saved myself some money, you know. And then I have chia seeds here, and then I usually couple it with Blessed protein, which I put into these bags to make it easier to travel with. But this is the chocolate coconut flavor. The food that they serve at the yoga school is pretty low in protein and also fat. It's like pretty high carb, to be honest with you. And I love carbs. Carbs are great, but I just don't feel satisfied. So if I have like protein or some more fatty stuff, like when I go to the store and buy nut butters. So having the protein and having the chia seeds definitely helps me feel more satiated because I have the nutrients that I guess my body's looking for. Some days I won't need it, some days I do. It just depends. This time around, I'm not going to bring my big camera to take photos. I'm just going to take photos on my phone, and the only other camera that I'm going to bring is this one that you're seeing right now because I only plan on doing vlogs and not like beautiful cinematographic videos like the last one that I did. Just because I didn't vlog that much, and this is like the perfect vlogging camera, and I can take it with me whenever I go walk around. So I packed my clothes already. These are my bottoms, and then there's just like a couple dresses in here, and then like I said, I have like my tops in this one, and then my undergarments in this packing cube, And then something I forgot to mention was that last time I went, I got really paranoid about the bed sheets. Not to say that the bed sheets aren't clean or that the pillowcases aren't clean or anything, but I am very anal about the places that I sleep for a long period of time. So if it were like 1 or 2 nights, like I really don't care. But if it's gonna be for a month, then yeah, I want to pack my own bedding. So I just brought like pillowcases, just for security. And then I brought my towel and then a bunch of hand towels. It's easier to clean that way, and you could do laundry at the school, so it's not a big deal to me, but I mean, it's nice to have these hand towels to use instead of my big towel that I use after I take a shower. And now it might seem like my luggage is getting full, and you're right, you know, it is getting full. What the heck, what just happened? I thought I didn't have that much stuff. Oh no. Before I close it, this is the last thing that I'm bringing. It is basically just my toiletries. So I have my spin brush in here, face wash, some lotion, some body spray, and moisturizer, some toner, headband. And then over here, this is the one that I'm going to bring in my carry-on. It's basically just like some makeup, and then I have to get a toothbrush because I don't want to bring my electric toothbrush, so I'm gonna get one from downstairs. And then I have my toothpaste right here and all this good stuff here. My skin will get really dry in the plane. Transfer. It's a whole event. We got stuff. Oops. Oh, by the way, hello, good morning. We got bags over here. We are not all going to India. It's just me and my dad are going to India, and then my mom and her mom, who's my grandma, are going to the Philippines for a wedding, and my brother is gonna drive us. I don't need to charge my phone right now, but I'm at 70%. Should I charge my phone?
You should just charge your phone and then you don't have to charge it.
It is always stress time at airports. So stress. My Air China card? Thank you.
Today's gate is 157, 12:30 boarding time, 38D aisle seat, and then from Bedsheets to Delhi, 40J aisle seat.
Of I don't know how many Rishikesh Diaries videos there are going to be, because I'm just honestly editing them as I go. I have so much footage, so much that I want to share with you guys. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Also, again, about Fabletics, if you want to try it out, see how it holds up for you, make sure to click the link in my description and you can get 2 leggings for $24, which is a $100 value. If you're new to the brand, they're known for their game-changing leggings, so you really can't go wrong there. Typically, these kind of high-quality leggings are upwards of $50 or more at other brands. So 2 leggings for only $24 is a really great steal. All of their pieces are also super affordable and trendy. Highly, highly recommend checking out the high-waisted Powerform leggings while they're in stock. They're perfect for weightlifting, running, Pilates, and my favorite type of exercise, you guys all know this, yoga. Also, you can get free shipping on orders $49 or more with international shipping. The website is super easy to navigate, and they also have a bunch of different outfits, which are a combination of a couple pieces that go really well together, like this red one that I showed you earlier. So make sure to check that out. Anyway, I hope that you guys have a wonderful morning, noon, day, or night, wherever you are, and I hope to see you in the next one. I love you all so much, and bye.